Hey guys, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. So today I'm going to make some steamed cabbage in my kitchen. So if you are interested, keep on watching and don't leave without giving me a thumbs up. Let's get started. So after I allow all of that water to dry out from the pot, I'm gonna add some coconut oil. Now I am using the simple natural coconut oil. You can use any oil that you like. Now after I've done that, I'm gonna add some fresh seasoning. Now bear in mind that you could always add the fresh seasonings of your choice. I'm just going to add some onion, some scallion and some chopped garlic. But you could always add some sweet peppers or whichever season you like. Alright, so I'm just gonna saute them for about a minute just for all of that flavor to be released. Afterwards I'm going to add my cabbage. Now this is not a detailed video, but I hope you learn something. Alright, so ensure that you toss your seasonings because I don't want them to burn, and do not use a high flame. So use like a medium low flame. Now I did cut my cabbage. I'm using a little over a pound of cabbage. Now you know that cabbage shrinks, so as it steams it will reduce in quantity. So if you're cooking for many people, then you want to double or triple the recipe. Alright, so after I finish adding all of those cabbage pieces into the pot, I am going to add some seasoning. Now my seasoning of choice is some black pepper and some salt. But what if you like to add like powder seasoning to yours, then you could go ahead. But that's not me, so I'm just gonna add some black pepper and some salt. Alright, so you add the salt or the powder seasoning to your taste. So just mix it nicely to coat them together. And for this recipe, guys, we're not gonna cover the pot. So you're just gonna saute with the spoon or with a spatula or whatever you're using as your utensil until it reduces for maybe about 3 minutes, because I love my cabbage to be crunchy and nice. But what if you want yours softer and I don't want it to spring the juices, so don't want it to release much juice, so I'm not gonna cover it. Alright, and I'm using like a medium flame. Don't want it too low because you're gonna release the juices. Even though the juices is healthy, but when I release the juices sometimes it gets all soft and I want mine to be crunchy, so I'm just gonna continue tossing it around in the pot. If you put it on such a high flame, too high flame, then it's gonna burn. Alright, I'm gonna add some shredded carrots. Now, as I said before, based on the amount of cabbage, then you want to double or triple the ingredients that you'll be using. But since I'm not making a lot, then I don't want to add much carrot. Alright, so I love to shred my carrot, but you could always just julienne the carrots or cut it in any shape or style and add it. Alright, but for me, shredded cabbage is the way to go. Shredded carrot, sorry, is the way to go. So after adding my carrot, I'm gonna just toss it for a few seconds. Then I'll add some green onions, and then my steamed cabbage will be all done at this point. So in total it took about 5 minutes to prepare my cabbage. But as I said, it all depends on how crunchy you want it. Alright, so keep that in mind. Now I also have curry cabbage recipe coming up, so if you are interested, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on all notification so you'll never miss another upload. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys, and I do appreciate the support. Stay blessed.